the science guy. Bill Nye the science guy.
Science rules.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is your talk show host, Alexa. Today, we are on their episode of Who's Your Daddy? So, on this game show, you will learn what DNA is, how does it work, how we have inherited the traits we currently have, and where do we get them from. Round 1. Let's get it started. What is DNA? DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. Try saying that 5 times. I can't. So, DNA is organized into bundles called chromosomes. Looks just like this. DNA lives within a cell and it is found in the nucleus. Humans have 23 pairs. One set comes from each parent, which means we have 23 gametes and 46 somatic. Round 2. Let's get it going. Dominant versus recessive. I'm sure you already know what dominant means. The stronger one, the bigger one, the taller one. Not me. I am very much recessive. Why? Because it is masked by the effect of the dominant allele, meaning dominant, stronger. For example, this is T, big T, little t. That's how you can tell dominant and recessive. Genotype. Genotype is connected with dominant and recessive. Genotype is the genetic material that is shown in the that is within the organism. And phenotype is the physical expression of the genotype. For example, I have 2 small t's in my genotype, which means my phenotype is short. However, if you're a tall person, that means your genotype is 2 big T's. Round 3. Let's get it going. Round 3 is a Punnett square. This is the easiest way we can show our genotypes along with our phenotypes, possibly. For example, it's 4 squares. The genotypes from each parent, for example, parent 1 in this instance has 1 big B, 1 little b, along with the other parent has 1 big B, 1 little b. When we combine them within the squares, for example, first one on the top left is 2 big B's, meaning brown eyes. Or homozygous dominant, because there are 2 big B's. But if we have big B, little b, that is heterozygous, meaning we have 2 different letters. Big B, little b. But, same thing in the other one. We also have a heterozygous on the bottom left. But if we look at the other one, there's 2 small b's. This is homozygous recessive, meaning there are 2 small letters. This is the easiest way we can show how our genotypes will possibly come out. And with this conclusive, this is how DNA works. And the winner of today's show is you! Why? Because I'm your host, and I'm good at hosting. Thanks for playing Who's Your Daddy? Until next time, ladies and gentlemen.